let's do some Fundations. Make sure you have your Fundations packet out and get your magnet tile board out for today. We're going to use our magnet tile board. So if you want to pause the video, get your Fundations packet, get your magnet tile board, and make sure it's in ABC order you can. Okay? We're going to review real fast what we did yesterday with our word families. We have the letter A makes an A sound. Letter B makes a B sound. So if we put them together, it would be ab, ab. So we're going to keep letter A out, but now we're going to do an A and a D, and D makes a D sound. So it would be ad, ad. And for right now, you just need to look and listen. You don't need to be getting your magnet tile boards out. All right, we have an O. O makes an ah sound. And if we have an O and a B, it would be ob, ob. O and D would be odd, odd. Okay, let's see what E and D would be. ED would be ed, ed. And then EB would be ebb, ebb. Okay? All right, let's spell some words. So now I'm going to be using the big board here. You use your magnet tile boards, okay? Follow along with your magnet tile board. I'm using this so you can see a little better. The first word I want you to spell is an OB family word, and the word is rob, okay? Rob, like, oh no, we were robbed. Rob, r, r. So that's an R. R, r. So find your R in your magnet tile board and put it in the rectangle. Looks like I dropped one. Okay. R, ah. R, ah, ah. That's an O, like octopus. R, ob, b, b, rob. What letter makes a B sound? A B, like bat. Okay, let's see. So we're going to point to each letter and say the name of the letter. R-O-B. Point to each letter and say the sound. R-ob. And then read it. Rob. Okay, nice work. Now I want to change the B to a D and then see what it would spell then. So put your B magnet tile back in alphabetical order in your magnet tile board and get out the letter D. Find the letter D and put D at the end. So now, instead of R-O-B, now we have R-O-D. Let's see. R-odd. R-odd. Rod. Like a fishing rod. Rod. So R-O-B was rob. R-O-D was rod. Interesting. Okay, now I want you to leave your R magnet tile up at the beginning. Leave your D magnet tile at the end. But I want you to take the middle magnet tile. Take the O down and put the O back in your magnet tile board in ABC order. Now, let's see what it would be if we put an E in the middle. So find your E magnet tile and put the E in the middle. So now we have R-E-D. Now we have R-ed. R-ed. Red, like the color red. R-E-D. Okay, leave the R at the beginning, leave the D at the end, but put the E back where it belongs in ABC order in your magnet tile board. And now I want to put an A in the middle and see what that spells. Let's see what R-A-D spells. Let's sound it out. R-ad. R-ad. Rad. Rad is another word for like cool or amazing. Rad means cool. Add, rad. Okay, now let's start over. Put the R back, put the A back, and put the D back where it belongs in your magnet tile board. So we're starting over from scratch. So all your magnet tiles should be back in ABC order. Okay, now I want you to find the G. Find the G. G makes a G sound, like game. It looks like this. So find the G magnet tile and put it in the rectangle. So far we have a G at the beginning. Next letter I want you to find is the letter L. Now find the letter L. L makes a L sound, like lamp. So far we have a G and an L. Move it over just a little bit. So your magnet tile board should have a G and an L in the rectangle. G, L, gl. Now find an O. Find your O. Now put an O after the L. So now we have G, L, O. Now I want you to find the letter B. Find the B. Now we have G, L, O, B. Let's see. G makes a G sound. L makes a L sound. O makes an A sound, and B makes a B sound. So let's sound it out. G, L, ob. G, L, ob. Glob. Glob. Like I put a glob of mashed potatoes on your plate. A glob. Okay, let's do another OB word. So let's leave OB up here. But let's put the G back where it belongs in your magnet tile board, and we'll put the L back where it belongs in your magnet tile board in ABC order. I want you to figure out how to spell the word mob. How to spell the word mob? How can you spell mob? Like a big group of people is called a mob. Ob. We already have the ob. We just need the at the beginning. Ob. What letter makes a sound? That would be an M. So we have ob. Mob. Like a big group of people is a mob. All right, nice job with your magnet tile boards. I want you to put the M back where it belongs in your magnet tile board. Put the O and put the B back where it belongs in your magnet tile board. So now your magnet tile boards should look like this again in ABC order, nice and organized, so they're ready to go for next time. You can put your magnet tile board back in your Fundations packet and then Velcro your Fundations packet closed. Okay? All right, now let's do a little bit of sight words. For this part of sight words, all you have to do is look and listen and pay attention, okay? Let's go over our 2 new sight words this week. Do you remember what they are? It was the word if. Like if we get our work done, maybe we can play later. If. That's an I. If. That's an F. IF is if. And our second new sight word this week was the word us. Like it's us, it's just us. That's a U. Us. That's an S. So us is U-S. Us. Now, what word would it spell if I took the S away and I put a P there instead. What word would that spell? Up, up, like look up, up, up. Okay, let's practice some more old sight words. This one is 3 letters. It's F-O-R. Or. For. Like it's for you. For. Now it's not the number 4. The number 4, like 1, 2, 3, 4, is actually F-O-U-R. So it's spelled differently, even though it sounds the same. F-O-R means like for you. For. Okay? All right, let's go over one last old sight word. It's a really, really hard one. I remember when I was a kid, I had to practice this sight word so much. And I remember I finally got it in 2nd grade. I really didn't know it until like the end of 2nd grade. It's a really hard one, okay? But it's S-A-I-D. S-A-I-D spells said. Like I said, we're almost done with Fundations and sight words. Said. Or I said to do your best work. Said. S-A-I-D. That's a hard one. Okay, because Earth Day was last week, we're going to do some Earth Day sight word practice. Okay, and it says sight word scramble. It says cut out the letters and glue to spell the words. Okay, well, here's the word for, F-O-R. So you're going to cut out this F and glue it right there. Next is an O. You're going to cut out this O and glue it right there. Next is an R. You're going to cut out this R and glue it right there. Then we're going to do the word up, U-P. Cut out the U and glue it there. Next is a P. Cut out the P and glue it here. Now we're going to do that really hard one, that really tricky one. It's the word said. First letter in said is an S. Cut out the S and glue it here. And then cut out the A, and then the I, and then the D. Then it says, use the extra letters to spell the mystery Earth Day word. So after you use all the letters to spell for, up, and said, there's going to be a couple leftover letters down here. There's going to be a couple letters left over. And you have to figure out which order to glue them in to spell a mystery Earth Day word. Ooh. Okay, so that can be found. I posted it for Sight Words and Fundations today.